Guys, I'm telling you what, man, that was one stinky beaver, you know what I'm saying? Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad y'all are here, man. But my good buddy Tim just rolled up, and he's right there, man. You guys might remember Tim from a video that I did a long time ago called Sunrise in the Ozarks, man. If you haven't seen it, go check it out after you watch this video. We've been friends for a really long time, man. Went on all kinds of adventures together, man. Kayaking, went and cave exploring and all that kind of stuff. Hiking, and he's here today. He's back at Sweet 16, and we're going to take you to a very special spot. Big, huge waterfall right up the road from the Sweet 16, man. It is freaking awesome. I can't wait to show y'all what it looks like. But first, we're going to go all the way up to Oark and eat at Oark Cafe. Me and Crystal tried to eat at the Oark Cafe and they were closed. I don't know if you remember watching that video, but we already called them. They're open today. We're going to go up there and see my good buddy Brian, who owns the place, and we're going to get something to eat, man. Don't go anywhere because we're just now getting going. Guys, I don't know what happened, but my cup, I got Coke on my glasses, man. My cup got a hole in the bottom of it, like leaked out Coke all over Tim. Really nice Jeep Cherokee Grand Limited Special Edition. Look at this. And then, look at this. Look! What did I do? I don't even know what happened, man. I just was taking a drink of my Coke, and the next thing I know, it's leaking out all over the place. But we got to figure out a napkin situation. I got to get this cleaned up ASAP. And Tim, I'm sorry. Sorry about that, man.
You're dead to me.
I'm dead. Tim said, you're dead to me. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I am stuffed, man. Had the big Texas burger. As barbecue, had onions on it, pepper jack cheese. It was awesome, man. The home fried. I don't even know what Tim got. Tim's burger was even bigger than my burger. What kind of burger did you get?
Bacon cheeseburger.
All right, Tim got the bacon cheeseburger, man. But the Oark Cafe is awesome, man. If you guys ever have the opportunity to come up here and get a burger. Talk to my buddy Brian. Brian, we're out of here, man. Talk to my buddy Brian, man. They make awesome food. Guys, we're almost there, man. I'm bringing Tim out here to a secret spot that I found years ago down in here hunting and stuff like that. So really cool waterfall, and if I can find it, it's gonna be awesome, man. Glad you guys are still here. Don't go anywhere. Guys, my secret spot is so secret that even I can't remember how to get to it. You know what I'm saying? This is a spot I used to come to years ago. Really, really sweet waterfall. Found it a long time ago whenever I was out here turkey hunting. And this is all White Rock National Forest we're driving around in right now. And everything pretty much looks the same. So I'm trying to find my little turn off. I've already had to get Tim turned around 3 or 4 times because I keep missing it. But we're gonna find it. And I promise you, we're gonna go on a hike, so don't go anywhere. Guys, we got a really long hike ahead of us, man. It's about 10 miles round trip to get to this secret waterfall, but it is going to be awesome, man. We haven't had a whole lot of rain, but this waterfall will still be running a little bit, and I cannot wait. Glad y'all are here. Don't go anywhere because we are just now getting going.
Well, how did you know about Midday Farm?
Yeah, I mean, you don't see. Yeah, me and Crystal, I brought Crystal down here. Yeah. In the waterfall. Oh, man! Guys, I freaking did it again, man. Did y'all see that? The camera just fell over and ate it, but guess what? The LCD screen's just fine, so we're good to go. But me and Tim are sitting here, and we're looking up river. There is something red going on up there, and we don't know what it is, but we're about to hike up there and find out, and we're going to solve the mystery. Check this out.
I mean, it almost looks like a porta potty or an ice chest.
Guys, I don't know, man. It's been a long time since I've been down here, and I don't know if it's picking up on video or not, but I swear to you, Tim, did you hear it? Are you hearing a banjo? I'm definitely hearing a banjo. I don't know if y'all can hear a banjo or not, but there's something kind of weird going on down in here. I mean, we are back in the woods, you know what I'm saying? And I'm hoping that we're not stumbling upon somebody's moonshine business, because a lot of these Ozark Mountain hillbillies, they booby trap their moonshine distilleries, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go find out what this red thing is up here, and hopefully there ain't no booby traps, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do one of those flowers. I feel like somebody's gotta be nearby. Guys, I cannot believe that my camera fell over again. I suck at this. I don't know what that is, man. It looks to me like a red ice chest. That's what it looks like with a white lid, but I don't know why somebody would just leave a red ice chest out here. And it might not be a red ice chest, I don't know. We're getting close. Were you looking for booby traps just now? Huh? Yeah. Tim was over here. We were just talking about like maybe we're walking into a trap, you know, like we picked the ice chest up and a big spike comes down out of the tree and like stabs us right in the heart, you know what I'm saying? So we're being careful. We don't want to be walking into no traps because we are way out in the boonies, you know, and it's a real good place for somebody to disappear, you know what I'm saying? All right, so my secret location is right down the creek, probably a good couple miles that way. Trail goes right up that hill. We're gonna go up the hill and just keep on hiking, man, until we get to the waterfall. Don't go anywhere, because I'm telling you guys, this thing is awesome. Y'all see them Arkansas howler tracks right back there in the mud? Freaking crazy, man. I don't know if we got any cryptic fans out there, but right here in the Ozark Mountains is where the Arkansas howler's from. And this is where he still lives to this day, so maybe we'll find him. You never know. Hey Tim, have you ever seen the Arkansas howler? Only heard it. You've heard it though. Heard it. Yeah, but you never seen it.
Never saw one.
All right. Well, Tim's never seen it. I've never seen it, but I'm pretty sure that's what those tracks were. Guys, check this out, man. We made it to the waterfall. This is unbelievable up here, man. Check it out. Guys, I told you, man, this is freaking awesome. Check out Tim. Tim, don't get too close, man. All right, that's a long drop right there. We're probably up, what, 50, 60 feet, Tim?
Good job.
Easy, maybe 75-foot waterfall, man. Out here in the middle of the Ozark National Forest, man. You guys have got to come check this waterfall out, but good luck finding it, you know what I'm saying? This rock up here has got depressions which have been making like little pools and stuff. Check out all these tadpoles in this pool right here. That's gonna be a lot of frogs someday, you know what I'm saying? All right, guys, we're gonna try to find our way down to the bottom of the waterfall and show y'all what that looks like. Don't go anywhere. Stick your arm up in there. We're back here behind the falls. Check it out, man. Looking down the creek, it is absolutely beautiful. I sure hope you can hear me. I'm talking really loud, trying to talk over the waterfall, you know what I'm saying? Because, I mean, we are right here, man. Check it out. We are right behind the waterfall. It's super loud. But, guys, I'm so glad y'all hung in there, man. I told y'all it'd be worth it. This secret spot I got is freaking awesome. I'm so glad y'all have been watching, man. Can y'all do me a real quick favor before we go? What? Oh, it's a dead animal. Oh my God!
My nose tasted that one. Oh my God.
Oh, guys, we kept catching a whiff of like some nasty smell, man. We thought it was just like fish or something. We're sitting over here trying to enjoy a nice moment with the waterfall, you know, talking about old times and everything. We kept catching this smell, man. We're like, God, what is that smell, man? It's nasty. And then Tim all of a sudden goes, oh, there it is. It's right over there. And we turned around, and it looked like a catfish or something to me. I didn't really look at it that good. And Tim walks over there, and it's a freaking dead beaver, man. Check this out.
Oh my God. It's so bad. Oh my God.
Oh my. Guys, I almost died just now. Check it out though. Oh my God, I could have. I got like a bat. Yeah, like the wind blew it right in my face. We gotta get out of here, dude. We gotta get out of here, man. It's getting bad up in here. You know what I'm saying?
That's the most rank beaver.
You know, it's worse now that we know. Like before, when I was just sitting there, I was like, "Oh, I'm catching a whiff of an old fish or something."
I mean, it's bad, but we've all smelled a dead fish.
All right, guys, here I go, man. I gotta walk right past this old, dead, nasty, rank, stinking beaver. Oh God. Woo! Dude. Oh my God, I just smelled it. Oh, dude, that freaking was stanky, man. I ain't even joking, dude. I ain't even joking, man. That was stank. All right, guys, we made it all the way back to the car, man. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. We really do appreciate it. We had an awesome time on this hike, man. That waterfall was awesome. Do me a big, huge favor. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. If there's anything about this video y'all like, give me a great, big, huge thumbs up like. And if you got anything to say, man, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you have to do. Thanks a lot for watching, man. Me and Tim had an awesome time. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!